interactive. Now you see, this is the interactive, right? The benefit of is that suppose you write print, okay, and enter it. What it will do is a built-in function. It means this is already present, right? Now you do like this. It will tell you what built-in means. It's already present, right? We are not writing print because it means what it's indicated. Built-in function means Python already given that print. That's why it's coming the answer, right? It means if we're doing like this, if something and leave it, you see what it mean. If the error, syntax error, it will tell you immediately what went wrong, right? In a program, if you're writing some codes, if you get something, you have to figure out from that syntax is wrong. What is syntax? Syntax said you have to be double quote, said, right? You make it hello Python like this. Let's see. You see, there's no error. It means it will give you the error. So now I will give you more examples for that. So this is called the interactive programs where you type it, you get the output here. That is called the interactive Python programming. First one. Now the second way of programming is that. What's the second way of programming is that? You write it, you click here from here, go to the new file. Okay, go to the new file. And what you do, you have to write the code here. Please write with me. Welcome to Python programming. We are doing the same thing, but we are writing on a in a Word document or in this one. So what we have to do this, do the one setting, put here, so lines. That's it. Now, second is print. Please write with me, okay, everyone. Python is a interesting topic. Got it? Everyone done? Only this thing. We are trying to see the output. What you do next, you have to go to the file. Everyone please do with me, okay? Because this is a basic, so I am going slowly, very slowly on that. As we going ahead, I will make our speed first. Now I'm going to this is a basic. That's why I'm going slowly, slowly. Now you have to do two lines. What it will do is just print the output on the screen. That's it. It will do nothing only. Before have to that, you have to do the save. What you write the code. It is interactive. You see, you get the when you enter it here, you don't get the output, right? But here you enter it, you get the output. That is called the left one is the interactive program, and the right one is the scripting way of programming. Scripting, right? You save it basically. This you see script mode of program. You don't get the output here. What you get the mm, you first write the program and we have to save it. How to save? For save, we have to do save as, and where we have to put here on the where the folder you make it, right? On the let I will make it. You make your desktop folder, whatever, right? For I will make another one. You can whatever you make, you put on the Python folder. Let me do on the Python itself. Sorry, in folder. I think you're right. You put anywhere. I think you put on the Python folder. Okay, wait, what you created the Python folder, you make there. Let me do. I will do the same so that you guys not confused. I make the Python here. What I will save? I will save as the scripting mode of programming. Script mode. You can write script mode and give good name so that you can understand what you're doing. What the program which we write, we are giving the name of the program. What we're writing two lines. These two lines, and we give the name of this program. We save it basically. We give the execute mode. Save it, and this program is saved. Right? Now, what we have to do? We have to run this thing. Right? So we have to run this thing. What do you have to make it big and click here and make it run 5. This one. As you run it, you see you get the output here. See the difference? Difference is that in a one programming language, like I will let close this. I don't want this. I just want this one and run it. You see, you get in a script mode, you get the output later on. You do the programming first and then run it. But in the interactive mode, you get the output immediately. The best part is that if you're writing something wrong, you get the here input, right? If you're here, right? Hello, for example, you do it. You see, it's enter enter. You get the immediately you get the response. There's something went wrong. But in the script mode of programming, you can't make the fix at the same time. There's a difference. Any doubt on this?
No.
You got that? Is so there are two different ways of writing the program. If you're writing the same thing, for example, I can say, right, I'm going to interactive program. Interactive is a equal to suppose 10, right? And we can print. I told you print, we have to do what? You have to pass the a. You will give the print. Let's see. A equal to 10, right? You can do, you see, you get the response immediately. But you write here in this, whatever to suppose a equal to 10, what it means, don't confuse that. Okay, what is a b? Just you think what we are doing, 10 be giving to the a, basically it means now a become 10, like a is nothing but a is something, and he's now is equivalent to 10. This is the basic, it's just English word. We are giving 10, a equal to n, 10 means. Okay, for printing that, we know that we use the print is the statement for Python we used to print. We root it and we save it because we are in the same code. What we will do, just run it. How to run that? From here to end, you see, two ways. First way is get the input immediately. Second way, run it, save it, and run it. Any doubt on this? This is the basic thing because as we go, we use this more often. So I don't want to make anything confused on this thing. This is the very, very basic, very, very basic. So my guys, please let me know if you have any doubt on this. First of all, please raise your hand, Duman. Any doubt on this?
Oh, everything is clear. Just how about other this shell, some spider or something else?
No, we will. You see, there other tools are also there. Okay, so don't confuse that. What I'm teaching you, stick with that. As you become more expert on the Python, then we can see there are so many tools are there. So don't confuse. We will go slowly. Okay, don't. There are other Visual Studios there. There's so many things are there. What I teach, try to go along with me. We will touch other things. Don't get confused with other things. Okay, now onward. At least as of now we will touch everything, so don't make confused with a spider and other thing. Okay, but in this you get it right how to do that. First of all, everyone, how to open the id
Yeah.
ideal, and how to write a code in the interactive mode, and how to write a code in the script mode. That's the point I am trying to deliver. Everyone clear on this? Henry,
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
Mohit,
yes, absolutely.
Nishant,
Yes,
Nishant, are you clear on this?
yes, sir.
It's very easy, right? Till now, no, not tough. It's very easy to go. Okay, now we will see that there are two ways of doing that. Okay, so what's the
Uh,
benefit of? Yes,
Rahul,
Hema, please. Yeah,
out of my three questions, two are answered, but I still have one doubt.
yeah, please go ahead, please, Hema,
Yeah.
please.
So initially we went to the command prompt
Hmm.
and we typed Python, right? So Python opened.
Yeah, no, you ignore this. This just for the seeing that one. If afterwards you exit it, that's it, close it. You don't need.
No, but we can execute from there also, right?
No, that's why what I'm trying to say, Hema, please don't. I will request everyone. What I teach now, please consider it there, because if you doing here, there are so many ways to write in the code. Trust me, Python, there are so many ways you can do that. But I will try to everyone to learn what I teach. Reason being, you first learn this, become expert on this area, then there are different way to write the code. Trust me, there are different way. You can write in the Python, Node++, Visual Studio Code. There's so many software to write the code. Trust me, there's so way you can do from the command prompt as well. But don't mix there now. Don't. If
I
you
don't want to write, but I just want to know the concept because this we do for any program for that matter, not just for
y-
Python.
yes,
But
yes, yes. Yes, you can do from there also. Yes, but as of now, I can say just ignore it, forget it. That's it. Yes, because it's not required. Forget it. I know it. I know you. But as of now, I can say forget it. We don't know command like something like command prompt. We don't know. You assume that you don't require basically, because it will confuse people. I don't want to make the people confused. Trust me. That's why I'm not teaching. I know how to do that from the command. I just saw for the Python version. I type the word. Otherwise, it not required at all. Is clear your answer, Hema?